to fix slow performance issue after update on Windows 11. First, restart your computer completely. Click on Start and restart your PC. Sometimes, Windows continues background update tasks after installation, and a fresh restart helps finish everything properly. After restarting, check if the system performance improves. Next, disable heavy startup apps. For that, right-click on the taskbar. Open Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps and disable apps you don't need at startup. Leave important Windows services enabled. After doing so, restart your PC again. After this, check high CPU, RAM, or disk usage. Click on Processes tab. Here, you have to look for apps using high CPU, high memory, and high disk usage. For that, simply click on it and you'll find unnecessary apps consuming resources. Simply right-click the app, select End Task. Next, free up storage space because low storage space can seriously slow down Windows 11. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll down, click on Storage. Click on Yes. Select Temporary Files and remove Delivery Optimization Files, Windows Update Cleanup, Recycle Bin Files, and Temporary Files. Then click on Remove Files. Also try to keep at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free space on your C drive. That's all for today. See you in the next video.